Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we break down those intimidating corporate filings so you don't have to. And today we are diving into WEC Energy Group and its most recent filing. Get ready because this report is all about how they are presenting themselves to investors right now. So what are we looking at here? It's a Form 8K, which is basically a report for big events or significant information that the company needs to tell the public right away. Think of it as a company's news alert service that the government requires. Now, why 8? Well, WEC Energy Group is going to be talking to investors soon and they've attached the presentation they will be using. This filing is essentially them saying, hey, here are the slides we are going to show. So this isn't a deep dive into their financials for a quarter or a year, but more of a snapshot of what they want people to see. This report is signed off by William J. Guck, the Vice President and Controller. He is essentially confirming everything here is accurate and presented as required. WEC Energy Group is known for its common stock, which is traded on the New York Stock Exchange, and you can spot its ticker symbol WEC. This is a pretty standard piece of information that tells you where their main shares are bought and sold. This section here is really the heart of this particular 8. It's called Regulation FD Disclosure. Regulation FD stands for Fair Disclosure. What it means is that when a company talks to certain people like investors or analysts about important company information, they have to make sure that information is also available to everyone else at the same time. They can't just tell a select group something first. So by filing this 8K and attaching the presentation slides, they are making sure their upcoming investor conversations are public knowledge. And under item 9.01, we see what is being filed. In this case, it's exhibit 99.1, which as we mentioned are the presentation slides. There is also exhibit 104, which is the cover page interactive data file. This is for US techie folks, and it just helps computers read the filing better. So while this 8K doesn't give us new financial numbers to dissect like a quarterly earnings report, it tells us what WEC Energy Group is emphasizing to potential investors right now. They are essentially giving us a sneak peek into their current message and strategy presentation. It's a way for them to be transparent about their investor outreach. Looking at this from a business strategy perspective, when a company files an 8K like this with presentation slides, it's often to signal confidence or to highlight specific achievements or future plans. They are preparing for those crucial investor meetings where they aim to secure funding or maintain investor confidence. The slides themselves would reveal what topics WEC Energy Group considers most important for investors to know at this moment. Are they focusing on growth initiatives, new projects, or perhaps reassuring them about their stability in the current economic climate? Without seeing the actual slides, we can infer that whatever is in them is considered material information by WEC Energy Group. In essence, this filing is a gateway to understanding WEC Energy Group's current narrative for the investment community. It tells us they are actively engaging with investors and sharing their story through these presentations. While we don't get numbers here, it's a signal of proactive communication. Now, for my take on all of this filing isn't about deep financial analysis, but about corporate communication. WEC Energy Group is being proactive by ensuring that any information shared in upcoming investor meetings is also publicly available via this filing. This demonstrates good corporate governance and fairness to all shareholders. The lack of specific financial data in this particular 8K means we can't assess their current financial health or project future performance based on these documents alone. However, it does show they are in active dialogue with the market. The key takeaway is that WEC Energy Group prioritizes transparent investor relations by using the 8K as their public broadcast tool for upcoming discussions. Alright, that is our quick decoder of this WEC Energy Group filing. What are your initial thoughts on this move by WEC Energy Group to file their investor presentation slides? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Corporate Decoder for more easy to understand insights into the world of business and finance. And don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description for more discussions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.